The deeper we look into the past, the more we realize how little we actually know. We map the stars, decode the building blocks of life, and chart the deepest oceans. Yet there is a continent on our own planet that remains a ghost in our data, a blank space on our map of understanding. This is Antarctica, a realm of ice and silence, guarding secrets buried beneath a 2-mile thick shield of frost. For decades, we have pointed our most advanced instruments at this polar desert, and the echoes that return are not empty. They whisper of anomalies, lost worlds, and structures that should not exist. Join us as we venture beneath the ice to uncover the top 5 mysteries hidden in the heart of Antarctica. Number 5. The Wilkes Land Anomaly. In 2006, NASA satellites detected something extraordinary buried deep beneath the ice of Wilkes Land. It was a massive gravitational anomaly, a ripple in the Earth's gravity field spanning over 300 miles. Scientists theorized it could be the impact crater from a colossal asteroid, one powerful enough to have triggered a mass extinction event. But further analysis revealed something even more perplexing. At the center of this anomaly lies a dense, circular mass, something immeasurably heavy and geometrically precise. What could create such a perfect signature, buried under eons of ice? Could it be the metallic heart of a planet-killing asteroid? Or is it evidence of something else entirely, a structure of unknown origin whose presence warps the very fabric of gravity? The satellite data is clear, but the truth remains locked away, waiting for a drill that can pierce the ancient ice. Number 4. The Lost Mountains of Gamburtsev. Imagine a mountain range as vast as the European Alps, with peaks soaring over 9,000 feet. Now imagine it completely invisible, entombed beneath miles of solid ice. These are the Gamburtsev Mountains, discovered not by sight but by seismic sound waves bouncing back from the bedrock. Their existence defies our understanding of geology. Tectonic theory suggests that such ancient mountains should have eroded away millions of years ago. Yet, here they are, perfectly preserved in a frozen tomb. How did they form and why are they still here? Some scientists speculate that a series of continental collisions created them, but their sharp, uneroded peaks suggest a much younger age. It's a paradox frozen in time, a phantom mountain range that challenges the very timeline of our planet's history. It's almost as if the ice sheet formed specifically to protect them, to keep them hidden from the world. Number 3. The high-energy neutrinos. Deep within the Antarctic ice, an observatory named IceCube waits in silence. Its purpose is to detect ghostly particles from space called neutrinos. In 2016, something impossible happened. IceCube detected 2 high-energy neutrinos that didn't come from the sky above, but from the Earth below, bursting upward from beneath the continent. According to the standard model of physics, this should not occur. The Earth itself should absorb such high-energy particles, yet they were detected clear as day. This has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Are there unknown laws of physics at play? Could a source deep within our planet be generating these impossible particles? Or did something pass straight through the Earth, using Antarctica as its exit point? The anomaly remains unexplained, a signal from the unknown, pointing to a profound gap in our knowledge of the universe. Number 2. The Eltanin Antenna. In 1964, an oceanographic research vessel named the USNS Eltanin was surveying the seabed west of Cape Horn. While taking photographs of the ocean floor, it captured an image of a bizarre object standing upright at a depth of over 13,000 feet. The object was perfectly symmetrical, featuring a long rod with 12 spokes radiating from it, each ending in a small sphere. It looked manufactured like a complex piece of technology, an antenna. Dubbed the Eltanin antenna, its origin is a complete mystery. No known terrestrial life forms create such geometric structures. The official explanation labeled it an unusual species of carnivorous sponge, but this theory has been widely disputed by marine biologists. To this day, the object's true nature is unknown. Was it a piece of lost technology from a forgotten era? Or is it something more alien? A silent sentinel on the ocean floor, forever watching. Number 1. Lake Vostok. Buried 2 miles beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet lies Lake Vostok, a body of fresh water the size of Lake Ontario. It has been sealed off from the rest of the world for at least 15 million years, a pristine environment untouched by sunlight or the modern atmosphere. In 2012, after decades of slow, careful drilling, a Russian team finally pierced the ice and reached the lake's surface. What they found there has been shrouded in secrecy and speculation. Initial reports spoke of discovering entirely new forms of microbial life, organisms whose DNA was unlike anything ever recorded. But then a strange silence fell. Official statements became vague and access to the research was restricted. Rumors emerged of something more than just microbes, of a complex ecosystem and strange magnetic anomalies emanating from the lakebed. What did they truly find in that ancient, isolated water? A biological time capsule? Or a world that was never meant to be disturbed? The mystery of Lake Vostok is perhaps Antarctica's greatest secret, a world within a world, locked away from human eyes. The ice of Antarctica doesn't just store water, it stores time. It holds memories of a planet we have long forgotten, and perhaps glimpses of a future we are not yet ready to see. The anomalies, the structures, the impossible signals, they are not just data points on a map. They are questions. And they suggest that the greatest discoveries are not found by looking up at the stars, but by looking down into the frozen heart of our own world. The truth doesn't disappear. It simply hides in plain sight, waiting for us to find it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, consider subscribing and joining us again as we explore the world's greatest mysteries.